is our newest 2-week board and train. She is a 1.5-year-old poodle. The owners bring her to us because this is their first dog as a family and they really wanted to set her up for success for the rest of her life. They say she's very smart, she's very outgoing, very playful, but they just want to make sure she has a really solid foundation so they can continue to enjoy her for the rest of her life. Right now, their biggest struggles are sometimes she likes to jump when she greets new people. She can be a little bit mouthy with play, and she likes to pull on the leash. Because she's really social, anytime she sees a dog or she sees a person, she really kind of just pulls the owner over to go say hi. They also live on a golf course, so there's a lot of people that are kind of going back and forth around her property. Generally, she's pretty good, but sometimes they can see her being a little bit protective over the home, mostly with barking and just pacing around the front doors. So the quiet command is going to be really important for her, the heel command, and just everything else, making sure she has a good recall, making sure that she'll hold that place position. So we're so excited to work with her. She seems like such a sweetheart. Stay tuned for her transformation.
Dior is a very smart dog. She's a little over a year old, and ever since we've had her, she's been very exuberant, lots of energy, not maybe the best walking manners because she does like to pull on the leash, and she's very, very smart, so she's constantly testing us. You know, we trained her with some commands, but there wasn't a whole lot of consistency, and because we have so many family members that work with her all the time, it was almost like she was learning 4 different languages with all of us all at once. So some people were a little bit softer on her, some people were a little bit harder, and she wasn't getting a whole lot of consistency. And that's why we had reached out to you to see if we could get a good baseline foundation of training for her.
Okay. What was your experience working with Off Leash? Would you recommend us to?
Absolutely. I would highly recommend Off Leash. We've been really, really pleased with the results. We just worked through some of the training with her, and you can see that she's a little bit tuckered out right now. But it has been incredible. It's been wonderful seeing update videos every day like clockwork, exactly when we expect them. It's been wonderful seeing how responsive you are to all of our questions, all of our concerns. We felt taken care of every step of the way, so could not recommend it more highly.
Yay, awesome. Well, Dior, you're very tired. Dior, Frank, let's give her some love. Good job, you guys. Great job today.
Good job.
We're going to miss you, my love. Oh, good girl.